Kakatapos ko lang gawin lahat ng outfit ko gawa sa straw. Pero hindi siya lahat straw ha, may tela pa rin. Kaya, get dressed with me. For my top, this is my top. This is inspired by Heart Evangelista. Yes! Suotin na natin. Okay, look at that. How is it? Yes! Right or left? Okay, next tayo, next. So, ito yung pambaba ko. Like, look at the details. Di ba sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi lang straw lahat, may tela din. Okay, suotin na natin. Okay, look. Ano sa tingin nyo? Like, yes! Oh my God! Pero hindi pa nagtatapos ang lahat dyan kasi may ipapatong pa ako dito. Wait. Ayan, ito yung ipapatong ko. Like, pag ganyan, no? Ala, para ako nasa dagat. I am the queen of ocean. Okay, let's go for the accessories. Okay, for my accessories, this is my hikaw, this is my quintas, and this is my bracelet. Okay, go. Okay, ano sa tingin niyo sa looks ko? Like, yes! Oh my God, ang ganda. Okay, let's go for the bag. Okay, for my bag, this is Mini Kelly Belly Jelly. Lahat ng bag ko, ganito. Okay? Dagdag to sa collection ko, and this is my bag. Okay? Okay. Like, asan na yung sandals ko? Magsasandals ako. Okay, for the final look, this is the final look. Look. Yes! Ganito siya. Wait. Yes! Okay, last na lang. Like, ay, ang tagal. Like, look at that. Ay! I'm so obsessed. Ang ganda nung top, inspired by Heart Evangelista. Okay, tama na. This is it. This is really easy, tang bonggang-bongga. Go.